Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal lost a bet, so we are at her house today and we are making her recipe called OJ Baked Apples. So what should we do first, Crystal?
Okay, first we don't have any cooking spray, so Renee is going to butter up the bottom of the casserole dish and we'll be right back.
The casserole dish is buttered, the oven just dinged, so we are ready to get this show on the road. What is our next step, Crystal?
You see those 4 apples that you peeled and sliced?
Yep.
Now we are going to layer those in the casserole dish and we'll be right back.
All right, our apples are in. What's next?
You see that lemon juice?
Yep.
You're gonna use all that.
All that lemon juice. All right.
Okay, so the lemon juice is in. Renee thought it was a little too much, but trust me, it's not.
All right.
Anyway, so the next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of molasses.
All right. All right, so the molasses is in. We still have a few more remaining ingredients. We have honey, orange juice, cinnamon, and ginger. What would you like to do next, Crystal?
Okay, next you're gonna use that half glass of orange juice and mix the apples
All right.
in the juice.
All right, the orange juice is in.
Next comes my favorite, the cinnamon.
All right. Have some ground cinnamon. Should we just sprinkle some on the top?
Yep.
All right. How much?
Just a little.
Okay. All right, then what?
Next, some honey, but a lot of that stuff.
All right. Is that good?
Yep.
That was a lot of honey. All right.
And last is the ginger, just a little bit.
All right. All right, the ginger is in and we've mixed everything up and we are ready to put it in our 375-degree oven for 55 minutes. Is that right?
Yep.
All right, and we'll see you then. Okay, so it's done, and it's looking good and smelling good. We did find that we used a bit too much liquid, so then we wanted to see if we had like some cornstarch or something to try and thicken it, but unfortunately we didn't have anything like that. So we ended up pouring out a lot of the liquid and then adding some honey drizzled on top, and it looks good, and Crystal's gonna taste it for us.
Mmm.
How is it?
Yummy.
Good?
And we peeled the skin just the way I like it.
Yes. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.
Bye.